Good morning friends. In this video we will discuss about three level of abstraction. Okay. Now we have the physical storage. Okay. You have the physical storage, we call it as disk, and we'll have a physical schema. We have a conceptual schema, and we have external schema 1, external schema 2, external schema 3. Now this is our secondary memory. Okay, this. Now physical schema, in the last video I have discussed about what is a schema. If you have not gone through that video, I request you to go through that video and come back to this video so that you will understand the concepts in a better way. Now the physical schema will talk about how the data is stored or how the relations are stored in the physical memory. It will talk in terms of the physical memory, whether you have used the indexing or not. Okay, if you have used the indexing, what kind of indexing you have used, whether you have used the single level indexing, or if you have used the multi-level indexing, what type of multi-level indexing you have used, whether it is a B trees or whether it is a B plus trees. All these things will the physical schema will take about. Meaning is that it will worry about how the actual relations and the tables and their relationships or how they are physically stored. So the physical schema will mainly target about how can I retrieve the data access as much as possible. Means how can I retrieve the efficient data access, that the physical schema will look at. Now come to the conceptual schema. Conceptual schema, even it can be called as a logical schema also. People will call it as a logical schema, or it can be called as a conceptual schema. Now what is meant by conceptual schema is that it will talk about in terms of, if it is a relational model, based on the model it will be different conceptual schema. We have three types of models are there. One is a network model, hierarchical model, and relational model. In the entire DBMS course, we will mainly talk about the relational models. So in the relational models, it will tell what are the relations are stored in your database will be given by the conceptual schema. Is it clear? What are all the relations or what are the tables you have stored in your database, that will be provided by the conceptual schema, and their relationships also it will provide. Now when it comes to the external schema, so you can ask me, sir, there is only one physical schema, one disk, one conceptual schema. Why external schema is 3 times? It is like, it is not 3, it can be n number of external schemas are also possible, whereas conceptual schema, physical schema will be only one, whereas it can be n number of external schemas will be there. Now if you see that, as I said, conceptual schema will provide all the relations which are there in your database. Now in a relation, you can have n number of attributes. Okay, if it is a student relation, you will have his student ID, student roll number, student name, marks, okay, which year he is studying, in which hostel he is studying, where he is from, what is his father name, phone number, mother name, phone number, local guardian, all this information will be there. And it will be actually stored in the physical schema, and it will tell that what is the schema, it will be told in the conceptual schema. Now comes to the external schema. If let's take that academic section is looking his data. When it comes to the academic section, they will only worry about his academic performance only. They will not worry about his personal information. And even I want to restrict that academic people should not see his personal information, like in which hostel he is staying, what is his father number, all these things I want to restrict. And a good database system should provide that security. Okay. Excuse me. So in the external schema 1, what it will happen is, it will give the view of some part of the view of the data or the relation it will provide. Is it clear? Meaning is that if you have n attributes, only few of the attributes it can be provided in an external schema 1. Okay, not external schema 1, meaning is that in external schema you will have a part of the relation. It will not give the entire information, so that it can provide the security. Or suppose someone is looking the same relation, they want to see few attributes, only that view you provide. And someone else like warden is looking at. Warden does not worry about his academic performance, in which hostel he is staying, in which room number he is staying, what is his father number, what is his mother number, for an emergency they need to call. So he will worry about his non-academic matters like his personal information he will worry. So that view information you provide. So this external schema in the DBMS will be taken care by the views. Okay, view is nothing but a part of the relation only you will provide, not the entire table you will not provide. If some part of the table you want to provide and some information you want to hide, that you can do by using the views which will be provided by the external schema. So that's why you will call it as a 3 level of abstraction. One is a physical schema, conceptual schema, and we have external schemas. I hope you have understood the concept, and I request everyone to go through my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my videos, please press the like button, and if you want to give any positive feedback or negative feedback, feel free to give it in the comment section of the YouTube. If it is a positive comment, I will be very happy and it will motivate me to teach further. If it is a negative comment, I will try to improve myself, because I will always like or trust the philosophy as that in this world no one is perfect. Everyone is in the learning phase only. And if you want to share, please share the videos with your friends as early as possible, and subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thank you so much.